Hi, welcome to the short explanation of the Worship the King affiliate program. And if you are already an affiliate of other websites like Amazon Associates or Amazon Affiliates or any other affiliate marketing, you're really familiar with how this works. And it's really simple. I became an Amazon affiliate a couple years ago, and I've really realized how simple it is to just share a link on a blog post or anywhere you're at online. And when people click on that link and purchase products, I make money. So we have rolled this out for you. You can do that with all the products on the Shopify store for Worship the King, including all of our digital. We pay about 40%, and it's all listed on this page what our current rates are. But at the opening of our program, we're paying 40% for digital products, 20% for any print products like our songbooks, and then 10% for any guitars, accessories, things like that. So basically all you do, you take a few minutes and you sign up to be an affiliate, put in your email, a few details, and then you get a welcome email. You get a little link that's for you. It'll be like worshiptheking.com/affiliate blah 4 or 5, whatever. It'll give you an affiliate number. And that's where you kind of start. You can post that anywhere in your blog, on your Facebook, on Instagram. You can send emails to your friends. You can just basically refer people to the products on Worship the King, the training, the online school, all of these things, just to help people find Worship the King. And when they buy those, our cookies right now are 21 days. So basically, anybody that clicks on your link and comes into our store within 21 days and makes a purchase, you'll make a commission. Commissions are paid every Friday via PayPal, and there may be different versions, but right now we're using PayPal every Friday. So it's really as simple if you have a following to say, hey, I love this guy, great lessons, check this out, and click this link to learn more, and there you go. You can start making money when they purchase products. So again, we have this is a very new program for us, and so we're building affiliates, and I am working personally with you. My team is working personally with you to help you get sort of that kind of thing going. And every week you can log into your dashboard anytime, see if you've had any sales, any traffic, see what's going on, and Friday you get paid. So there really is no commitment. We're never going to ask you for any money. We're never going to ask you to pay me anything. It's not like that. It's really simple. We're not going to ask you to go around to all your friends and say, hey, you want to do this? It's just very simple social sharing and recommending and getting paid for it. So if you have any questions, I would love to answer them. You can email me, you can schedule a call with me on this page, and you can talk to me and my team about this affiliate program. And I hope that you will just add this to your thing. Some of you may just be starting affiliates, and some of you may have 10 websites. You can do all kinds of affiliate marketing for different websites. This is just could just be one of your affiliate marketing sites that you're using, and or it could be the only one. Maybe every week you just jump on Facebook and say, hey, have you seen the new YouTube video? Check this out. Get the new songbooks from Worship the King. Put your link there. That's all it would take, a couple minutes a week, and you could make income, 40% of the sale. So at this current day, today, the Gold Pass is about $100. So if that sells to somebody that you've referred, you make about $40. So do the math. It's very good, and it can just keep going. It just keeps going. Any link you put out there now, 6 months from now, a year from now, could still be getting clicks. So schedule a call with me or sign up to be an affiliate. Just get the ball rolling. If you want to sort of start making some money, I invite you to join me in the Worship the King affiliate program. I'm excited about this because not only have I been making money online and making money selling like online passes and schools and books and publishing for many years, but now I can begin to share that with you guys. You can share the products and I can share the money. So I'm really excited about this. God bless you guys. I welcome you in. Sign up below or click the link in the YouTube video, or you can just sign up on worshiptheking.com/affiliate.